Introduction. Optimizing your yoga practice. Are you wondering how to start yoga? If you practice yoga, you can experience a profound sense of harmony both within yourself and the world around you. Before you get into it, though, it's important to set the right kind of atmosphere both inside and outside. Shut your mind off, slow down everything, including your breathing and your body, and listen to the music. Breathing with purpose and on cue comes from a deep awareness of these stabilizing muscles. Make sure your stomach and bowels are empty prior to yoga. Yoga is not just an exercise, but a way of enhancing the human energy system. Anything that is not the body should be out of the body. If you want to move your energies upward, make sure you do your yoga practice before you eat. Ideally in the morning before breakfast, after emptying the bowels, and in the same vein, there should be no intake of food or water while you do the yoga exercises. Neem and turmeric before yoga practice. The consumption of neem and turmeric with tepid light honey water is a wonderful way of cleansing and dilating the cellular structure in such a way that it is able to absorb energy. Warm up before doing intense yoga postures. And always consult a medical professional prior to undertaking yoga. This is an absolute must, else you may be at risk of straining your muscles. Start by warming up your body and do a few stretches to bring flexibility before moving on to more intense yoga postures. Include a variety of yoga techniques. Practice a variety of yoga poses and breathing techniques. Remember that yoga practice does not include only yoga exercises. Pranayama breathing exercises, meditation, are also a part of home sessions. Yoga has many benefits when done properly. However, if done in an incorrect fashion, yoga exercises can cause many complications and inflict pain and injury. It's essential to improve and correct your practice and perform poses the right way. Follow the above yoga tips toward a better health and enhanced lifestyle. Your yoga practice does not just end on the yoga mat. It affects every aspect of your life. It's about having a sensible awareness of your body and mind. Breathing exercises throughout the day, especially when you're under stress. This meditative attitude gives you a positive outlook and will help ease you through any challenging situations. Reflect on life with a clear vision and a perception that is not blurred, is the sign of a true balanced person. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 2: Reducing belly fat with yoga. Unhealthy eating habits, lack of exercise, and high stress levels, all of these give rise to a flabby tummy, and there are no shortcuts to get rid of the abdominal fat. This is where yoga comes into play. It not only helps decrease abdominal fat, but also allows you to control your body and mind like never before. Regular practice of yoga strengthens your core and abdominal muscles and thereby contributes to a flatter abdomen. You can practice yoga to reduce tummy fat. Boat pose. Hold boat pose for 3 to 5 breaths. Next, lower down in the full boat pose where your upper body and legs hovered just above the ground. Take a deep breath before pulling your body back up to the boat, then release. Repeat this dynamic boat 2 or 3 times. You will feel your abs screaming. Practice 3 to 4 times a week. Promises to trim your waistline. Bridge pose. Bridge pose, especially a dynamic bridge, will work wonders for trimming your waist by keeping your supporting muscles strong. Practicing this dynamic bridge will help give you a beautiful belly and booty, not to mention it's a fun way to mix up your exercise. Gently lower your bum and lightly tap the ground before raising your hips once more. This is 1 round. Do about 10 to 15 rounds, finished by holding your bridge for 3 to 5 breaths. Wind-relieving pose. It strengthens and tones your muscles in the abdomen, legs, arms, and lower back. It aids in digestion and better circulation of blood. Start by lying down on your back. Fold your knees and bring into your abdomen with your lower back crunch. Now try lifting your head, bringing the chin in as close as possible to your knees. Your abdomen by now should be tense and knotted, creating a pressure that burns the existing fat. Cobra pose. This exercise is known for reducing belly fat and also toning the muscles on your back. Start by lying on your front, your arms resting at the side of you. Now with your hand flat to the ground, push your body upwards. As you tense up your abdomen and started lifting your shoulders, you can use your palms and elbows as a support. As you tilt your head, remain in this posture for about 30 seconds. Repeat twice. Camel pose. The camel pose is yoga for reducing belly fat and help produce strength to muscles. Start by kneeling down on your knees and then bend your torso backwards in an arc form towards your heels while the arms go backwards, supporting your upper body weight on the back of your foot. The trick is to hold the position whilst inhaling and exhaling. Continue and then go back to the basic pose and repeat. This must be done in succession over the next few days for the best results. Yoga not just works on the body but also on your other organs, your core being the prime focus. Apart from toning, it also stimulate your glands, thereby improving the performance of your organs. Always seek medical guidance before or if you experience any health issues. Start to live a healthy life from today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 3: Yoga for Detoxification. When you feel tired and weighed down by stress, lack of exercise, and poor food choices, give your body and mind to reboot with detox. Detox doesn't always mean a rigorous diet, juice, fasting, or ingesting a combination of nauseating herbs. You can detox through a good practice that leaves you feeling cleaner on the inside and more energetic on the outside. Let's take a look how yoga can help detoxify your body. Our body already has cleansing organs like liver, kidney, and lungs, so you might wonder why you need to do anything to detoxify your system. The truth is that your body is working overtime to handle invasive toxins. They attack your system multiple times in multiple ways. Yoga exercises help to improve blood circulation. This ensures a fresh supply of oxygen to different parts of the body. Lung capacity increases, which enables full and complete inhalation and exhalation. Digestion is regulated. The nutrients in food gets properly absorbed and waste is regularly and efficiently disposed of. Yoga to detox the liver. Next to the skin, the liver is the largest organ in the body. It's considered as part of the digestive system and it performs over 500 vital functions. It produces bile, which removes waste and breaks down fats in the small intestine. During digestion, metabolizes proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates, stores vitamins, which helps resist infections, produces cholesterol and protein. Yoga stimulates and strengthens the liver, improving its functioning. It is a non-invasive way to detox the liver and keep it healthy. Yoga poses for detox. Revolved chair pose. In addition to improving the health of the spine and vertebrae, this exercise stimulates the liver, spleen, and digestive system, while toning the abdominals and improving the elimination process. Bring your feet either hip-width apart or together depending on your comfort level. Bend your knees as if you were sitting on a chair. Make sure your knees are in line with the center of your feet. Bring your hands together at the heart center and bring one elbow to the opposite knee, pressing your palms firmly together. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and open your chest wide. Repeat the exercise 5 times on each side. Spine twist. This is a fabulous low-impact stretch with many benefits. Lie flat on the ground with your arms out in the T formation. Hug one knee into your chest and allow the ball to the opposite side of your body. Take your opposite hand to your knee. This will help for extra stretch. Turn your neck in the opposite direction. This strategy helps align your vertebrae and promote breathing. Shoulder stand pose. Inverted poses help drain accumulated lymph fluid from the legs and upper body. This is a wonderful pose. Perform at the end of a session, as all toxins that were accumulated during the session are released during the practice. Start by lying on the floor. Draw your legs back over your head. Bring your hands to either side of the spine and slowly bring both your legs upwards and press your feet up into the air. Avoid moving your head to either side. Hold the pose for a few seconds, then return to your first position. Perform 5 times. Forearm wheel. Chest opening exercises are wonderful to release stagnation and congestion in the body. They are also a great way to activate your metabolism. Start in a standing or seated position. Then slowly bring your midsection upwards, keeping your feet and hands flat to the floor. Hold this position for a few seconds and then return to your start position and repeat. Seated twist. This exercise stretches key organs, including the kidneys, liver, colon, and spleen, which is part of the lymph system, all of which assist in digestion and elimination of toxins. From a seated position, stretch your legs out in front of you. Then, bend one knee. Bring the opposite elbow across to the outside of the knee and apply a little pressure. Remember not to jerk, slow and precise movement. Hold for 5 deep breaths and repeat on the other side. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lessons.